The beautiful waterfall in Columbus, Ohio is located on Hidden Run Road. Let's see, I'm gonna show you how beautiful it is. See, it's nice. Not that much. You see, what are not allowed? Park from 7 a.m. to 11. Stay on trial. No pets. No feeding wildlife. No swimming. No camping or fire. No motorized vehicle. Okay, so this is the stair. Oh, it's flooding. Used to be not that much water, but it's flooding today. Oh, it's water all over. Dang, man, it's too much rain in Ohio nowadays. See? Oh. You see the river is over there. And the water is right here. It's too much flood in Ohio. What's up, amigo?
What's up?
Hey, how you doing? It's flood here today. And it used to be. You see the water? It's coming from waterfall. And it's a beautiful place. It's like heaven. You see that mountain? Oh, somebody live over there, man. Be careful. You see the water that is coming from waterfall. It's a lot of water today, man. It's a lot of water today. You know, I've been here like for more than 10 times, but I didn't see that much water. You see, it's like a small river. Oh. It's too much water to the flood. I don't know what's going on, but oh. See, there's somebody bring the locks here. And they write the name. M and M. So 112. They write their name here and they lock it. See, all these are single. And this man got girl, he got girl. Oh, they got four. Man, they got. See this nice and beautiful area. It's a lot of water today, you know. Before when we come, it's a little bit water, but nowadays, the heavy flood in Ohio. Be careful, guys. Imarati. Oh. You see somebody. Oh, it's a tree pot, man. You see, like, it's a beautiful, especially when there is no a lot of water. So it's beautiful. But today it's also beautiful. Look beautiful. You see a lot of water here, but you know it's flood here in Ohio, Columbus. So normally there is a lot of people, you know, on this weekend. So it's like all this trail is full. You know, it's take like it's 5-10 minute walking. But when there's people on weekend, it's like take properly around 1 hour because it's too much people in rush. See, that's nice and beautiful grasses. Oh, you see that cutie duck here? Hey, hi ducks. What's up, ducks? Sometimes there is snake here, so you have to be careful. You see, the river is over there. It's too far from here, but the water is there. Let me zooming the river. You see, the river is over there. It's too far from here, but I don't know. It's a lot of water. My cute beauty. Man, it's a nice weather. It's not that much hot and that much cool, but there is a lot of flood here in Ohio. I hate flood. Seems like for the past week we didn't see the sun. It's like cloud and rain and everything. Back to the trail. On Halloween. Oh, oh.